Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. These are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Leos, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading I have right after this general reading. So stay tuned for that reading, guys. So we will start with these cards first. For your general energies, we have 5 of swords, 2 of cups and 2 of swords in reverse. So Leos, in your situation, guys, you are making a lot of efforts. You are making tremendous efforts, striving really hard, maybe working hard. It may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are doing everything in your power, and you are someone who is really honest, and you have that truthful intentions in your work situation. So you are working hard, guys, but the people with you in your work or it may be in your family, they are criticizing you and they are not dedicated like you, and they are not making the efforts like you. So that may be the reason for some troubles in your situation, and people are not reliable and trustworthy. So someone from your work maybe, or someone from your family, they are not to be trusted, guys. So if you know who it is, if you have a vague idea, you have to stay away from this person. So, and I also see that some kind of truth is being revealed to you today, guys. Truth about your situation. So you just have to be very attentive today, guys, Leos. And I see some opportunities are reaching you also in your work. It may be a partnership or collaboration, or it may be a happy situation in your love life. So this person you are interested in, they are coming with commitment. They want to propose to you or get married to you. So some positive changes in your relationship maybe, and you are moving towards a deeper commitment. If you are already in a relationship, you are moving towards a deeper commitment, maybe getting married. Or if you are single, ready for a new person, you are finding someone interesting today, guys, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your, sorry guys, all these cards fell down. So for your relationship, we have 9 of Pentacles. So looks like things are going in a very harmonious way today, and this relationship, it may be a true love, guys. So if you were doubtful whether whether the what you have between you both, whether it is true love or not, or whether this person is reliable or not, I see that this person is reliable, and you are having a true bonding, deep connection with this person, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 4 of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, career, there are some troubles you are facing today. Maybe the people who work with you, they are not efficient like you. So that may lead to some kind of troubles in your work potential, or it may lead to some mistakes, and people may blame you for their mistakes. So that may be the reason, guys. Some negative things are happening. So you need to be really careful in your work situation, guys, Leos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching, Leos. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a fairy tale pick a card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown, and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you. So you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality, and the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like, and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you. It may be your family members or friends, whoever it is. They are trying to control your decisions, and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened, and you are in a lot of stress and troubles. But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings uh, to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. And this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your love, true love, will come to you. For sure it will come back to you and it will find you. So you need to just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.